minimum difference method. Minimum difference method. Before we solve this problem, let us take the concept. Another way to find out the HCF. Concept. HCF of any two numbers, not only two, you can take more than two. HCF of any two numbers. Answer is an element. Answer is an element in the set factor of B minus A. Please write down this concept. HCF of any two numbers. HCF of any two numbers. Answer is an element. Answer is an element in the set factor of B minus A. HCF of any two numbers. Answer is an element in the set factor of B minus A. For example, HCF of 15, 25. HCF of 15, 25. What is he saying? HCF of any two numbers is an element in the set factor of B minus A. Factor of B minus A. What is the factor of 25 minus 15? 10. What are the factors of 10? Factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. He is telling that the HCF of 15, 25 is an element in the set 1, 2, 5, 10. Is an element in the set 1, 2, 5, 10. Is an element in the set 1, 2, 5, 10. HCF of any two numbers is an element in the set. HCF of any two numbers is an element in the set factor of B minus A. Factor of B minus A. Now if you see here, 15 is an odd number. 15 is an odd number. 25 is an odd number. Already we discussed HCF of any number of odd numbers. HCF of any number of odd numbers. Answer will be an odd number. HCF of any number of odd numbers will be an odd number. So answer cannot be 2. Answer cannot be 10. It cannot be 2 and 10. Are you all with me, sir? Right? Answer, because if a number is not divisible by 2, how can it be divisible by 10? 5. Does 15 divisible by 5? Yes. Is 25 divisible by 5? Yes. So what is the answer for this question? 5. Is 5 an element? Is an element is in the set 1, 2, 5, 10? Yes. HCF of any two numbers. HCF of any two numbers is an element in the set factor of B minus A. Extremely important first concept. HCF of any two numbers is an element in the set factor of B minus A. Why it should be a factor of B minus A? I took an example to show how it can be an element in the set factor of B minus A. How it can be an element in the set factor of B minus A. Right. Second one. HCF is always the minimum difference. Minimum difference factor. HCF is always the minimum difference for a given number factor. Take the minimum difference for a given numbers and take the factor. HCF of any numbers. HCF, the whatever the value that we are getting it in HCF, that HCF is nothing but a factor in the set minimum difference for a given numbers. You take the minimum difference for a given numbers, answer will be a factor among the given set. Answer will be a factor among the given set. Answer will be a factor among the given set. Now I will try doing this problem in the minimum difference method. Now I will do this problem in method 1 and method 2. Method 1 and method 2. Method 2. What is that we discussed? HCF of any two numbers. It is an element in the set factor of B minus A. Factor of B minus A. 32 minus 18 is 14. Answer is an element in the factor of 14. What are the factors of 14? 1, 2, 7 and 14. These are the factors of 14. HCF of any two even numbers will be an even number. So 1 anyway, 1 will divide every other number. 7 is out. 7 is out. Are you all with me, right, sir? 7 is out. If 7 is out, obviously 14 will be out. 7 is out, 14 will be out, 1 is out. Answer is 2. Answer is 2. So, HCF of any two numbers, HCF of any two numbers, answer is an element in the set factor of B minus A. Factor of 32 minus 18 is 14. What are the factors of 14? 1, 2, 7, 14. HCF of any two even number should be an even number. So, 1 and 7 is out. If a number is not divisible by 7, how can it be divisible by 14? 7 is out, 14 is out, 1 is out. Answer is 2. This is by using method 2. What is method 1? Take the lowest number, 18. Does 18 divide 32? No. Take all the factors of 18. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Highest among this factor will be the answer. 18 will divide 18, but 18 does not divide 32. 9 will divide 18. 32 is not divisible by 32. 6 will divide 18. 32 is not divisible by 6. 3 will divide 18, but 32 is not divisible by 3. 1 and 2. So 2 will divide 18, 2 will divide 32. Answer is nothing but 2. Are you all with me? Both the methods it has given the same answer. Both the methods it has given the same answer. HCF of any two numbers. 1 is an HCF of any two numbers. Answer is an element. Answer is an element in the set factor of B minus A. Answer is an element in the set factor of B minus A. So if I take the difference 32 and 18, different factor of 14. What are the factors of 14? 1, 2, 7, 14. HCF of two even numbers is always an even number. Odd number 7 is out, odd number 1 is out. If a number is not divisible by 7, how can it be divisible by 14? So only option left is 2. If I use the traditional method, 18 does not divide 32. So take all the factors. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. 32 is not divisible by 18. 32 is not divisible by 9. 32 is not divisible by 6. 32 is not divisible by 3. So 1 and 2, highest is 2. Obviously it will be 2 because HCF of any two even numbers will be an even number. Idea clear? This is the first concept. Minimum difference method. Minimum difference method. Now method 2. Now second problem. Method 1. If you see the method 1, you have to take all the factors of 362 in this case. Am I right? All the factors of 362 you have to take, which will be a lengthy process. Which will be a lengthy process. All the factors of 362 will be a lengthy process. Now see here. Now we will use the minimum difference method. Minimum difference method will be the best method to solve few problems, right? Like second one. 362, 384, 478, 354. You don't need to take the factors of the lowest number. Another is, what is the thing? HCF is nothing but an element in the set. It is a factor of minimum difference for a given numbers. Minimum difference we have to do. 384, 362. Difference is 18. 362, 478. 362 plus 38 is 400. 400 plus 478. 78 plus 38. Which is 116. 362 with 354, 8. Minimum difference minimum difference. See here, by using this concept, instead of taking the factor of 362, I will just take the factor of 8. What are the factors of 8? 1, 2, 4, 8. 1, 2, 4, 8. Are you all with me? You can reduce the number of steps in this question if you know this logic. So difference is 8. Now if you see, HCF of all even should be an even number. Now if you see, let me see if it is divisible by 8. What is the divisibility rule of 8? Last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. 8 4s are 32, 42. 8 5s are 40. It is not divisible by 8. All the numbers are there divisible by 4. Divisibility rule of 4 is last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. 54 is not divisible by 4. So all are even number. HCF of even numbers is an even number. So answer for this question is 2. Answer for this question is 2. I hope the idea is clear. Either you can use method 1 or method 2. In the second example, you will have a complete clarity. Instead of taking the factors of the lowest number, you can take the factor of the minimum difference between two numbers. 362, 354. Minimum difference is nothing but 8. So answer is nothing but the factor of the lowest difference. 362, 354. Lowest difference is nothing but 8. Still we will solve more and more problems so that you will get a clarity. I hope the second concept, how to find out the minimum difference for a given number, we will still do some more problems. Minimum difference method. HCF of 1651, 2032. Answer is nothing but the element in the set factor of B minus A. So factor of 2032 minus 1651, which is nothing but 2032 minus 1651. So this is nothing but 379. Sorry, it is nothing but, suppose if I add 349, it will be 2000 plus 32. It is 381. So it is nothing but 381. Now we have to check whether 381 is prime or composite. Check whether 381 is prime or composite. Suppose for example root of 381. What are the approximately? It is resulting in closer to 19. 19 square is 361. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Check if any of these divides. Sorry, 381, sum of the digits is divisible by 3. So it is divisible by 3. So it is 3 into 121, 127, 127. Square root of 127 is closer to 12. What are the set of prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. 2 it is not divisible, 3 it is not divisible, 5 it is not divisible, 7 it is not divisible, 11 it is not divisible. So 127 is a prime number. So answer should be in the factor of 1, 3, 127, 381. 1, 3, 127, 381. This is divisible. 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 1, 13. This is not divisible by 3. 2032, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. 7 is not divisible by 3. If two numbers are not divisible by 3, it cannot be divisible by 3. If number is not divisible by 3, how can it be divisible by 381? Answer for this question is 127. I hope the idea is clear. Idea clear, right? HCF of any two numbers is a factor of their difference. HCF of any two numbers is an element in the factor of their difference. 496, 403, 713. Answer is nothing but minimum difference minimum difference we have to take. 496, 403. Minimum difference is 93. Answer is nothing but minimum difference in the element of factor of 93. Factor of 93 is nothing but 133193. 133193. Now if you observe, if option is 3, all the 3 numbers should be divisible by 3. 4 plus 9, 13, 13 plus 6, 19. 19 is not divisible by 3. If it is not divisible by 3, it cannot be divisible by 93. Check whether 496 is divisible by 31. Yes, 497. 496 is nothing but 31 into 16. 403 is nothing but 31 into 13. 713 is nothing but 31 into 23. So answer for this question is 31. I hope the idea is clear. HCF of, what is the concept that we discussed in the previous slide? I'll repeat the concept. HCF of any two numbers. Answer is an element. Answer is an element in the set. Factor of B minus A. Answer is an element in the set. Factor of B minus A. This is the first concept. Or take the minimum difference. Take the minimum difference from the given numbers. Do factors. Take the minimum difference from the given numbers. Do factors. Take the minimum difference from the given numbers. Do factor. HCF of any two numbers. Answer is nothing but the element in the set of factor of B minus A or minimum difference from the given numbers. This uses this concept and question number 3 uses this concept. I hope the idea is clear. I hope the idea is clear. Here I checked whether 381 is a composite or not. 381 is divisible by 3. 127 is not divisible by any of the prime numbers. Any of the prime numbers. So 127. I hope it is clear. Next slide. HCF of P plus 10, P plus 25, P plus 26, P plus 10, P plus 25, P plus 26 if P is a natural number. If P is a natural number. Now if you see, what is the concept that we discussed? Minimum difference concept. Minimum difference. P plus 26, P plus 25. Minimum difference. Minimum difference is nothing but 1. Factor of different factors of 1 is 1. One way to look at it is answer is 1 because the minimum difference it is nothing but 1. Minimum difference it is nothing but 1. This is method 1. This is method 1. Method 2. Method 2. Minimum difference. We will take the minimum difference for my given numbers and we will take the factors. HCF of 1 with any number. 1 with any number is 1. HCF of 1 with any number is 1. HCF of 1 with any number is 1. These both are consecutive numbers. Consecutive numbers HCF is 1. Consecutive numbers HCF is 1. 1 with, so P plus 25, P plus 26 are consecutive numbers. Consecutive numbers HCF is 1. 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 So answer is 1. 1 with any natural number, answer is 1. HCF of 1 with any natural number, HCF is 1. I hope the idea is clear. Next one. How many different HCF is or are possible for the given numbers n and n plus 10? So there are two numbers n and n plus 10. He is asking the question, How many different HCFs are possible? How many different HCFs are possible for this number? There are two numbers. What is the concept that we discussed right now? HCF of any two numbers. HCF of any two numbers. It is nothing but an element in the set. It is nothing but element in the set, factor of B minus A. So if I take the factor of their difference, n plus 10 n, the difference is nothing but 10. What are the factors of 10? Factors of 10 are nothing but 1, 2, 5, 10. 1, 2, 5, 10. How many HCFs may be possible? How many HCF may be possible? HCFs may be possible are 4. HCF may be possible are 4. Are you all with me? What is the concept that I am using in this question? HCF of any two numbers is an element in the set factor of B minus A. HCF of any two numbers. Answer is an element in the set factor of B minus A. HCF of any two numbers. Answer is an element in the set factor of B minus A. HCF of any two numbers. Answer is an element in the set factor of B minus A. I hope the idea is clear.
You can learn any subject, anywhere, any place and on the go. Come, let us go the other way in learning. Download our revolutionary app for free AMC.